Hey guys, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2850. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan with this printer. Align the print head to get the best print quality. We need to load A4 paper, then and complete adjustment. So go at the back. This is A4 paper. So go at the back. So you can load up to 100 sheets of paper. The paper we have here is A4. So load the paper, then adjust it with the guide. Then close this. Now also showing us rear paper tray. Then you select A4 paper plain. Then you select OK to confirm. Align the print head to get the best print quality. Adjust letter and proceed. So you use up and down to select adjust, then select OK. Perform a print head nozzle check to check the print quality, print or print letter. Scroll up, select print, select OK. Load A4 size paper, plain paper, then select print to confirm. Printing, check your ink level regularly. Are there any misalignments? Are there any missing segments? You scroll down, look on the paper printed out, scroll down, select no. Once you select that, then align print position to fix misalignment and banding, adjust letter or proceed. So you select adjust, select OK to proceed to adjust. Load A4 size plain paper, then select print. Printing, check your ink level regularly. If you want to cancel it, then you press this button to cancel. Now you take the print out, look at the print out and choose box with the list line or the next screen. Select the number. Then you select OK to proceed. Then it will show you number 1. Use up and down or side arrow button to select the number. So once you select the number, then you select OK. It will proceed to number 2. Then you look on it out and select the number. Then select OK. Then you look on number 3. So use up or down arrow button. Then select OK. Then look number 4. It will show you number 4. Then you select to proceed to number 5. Then select. Then it goes to number 6. Goes to number 7. So look on the printout, then you select the number. Then it will show you load A4 size paper, then select print. This is the printout. Choose rectangle that are not separated or overlap. Then you select OK. Then it will show you select number. So you look on the image, then select the number. So use up and down to select the number. Then select OK. Print head alignment complete. You can adjust again from maintenance. And once this is done, it will show you the main screen with copy so that you can select whichever function you want to do. This is how to complete alignment. Once you've done that, it brings out the screen for you to select the function that you want to do. This is how to load paper tray and also complete alignment head. Thank you very much indeed.